So when we started this General XP build, we made a list of things that we wanted to see incorporated into this car, and as the list went on, we realized that we're going to have a lot of lights, and we're going to have a street legal horn kit, we're going to have turn signals, we're going to have seat heaters, we're going to have a big stereo, all that stuff. Everything's connected with wires, and I'll be the first to admit it. I hate wiring. I hate wiring, and quite frankly, I'm really not that good at it. But that being said, the guys at XTC Power Products make it as easy as it can possibly be with some of the kits that they've created here. They make all kinds of different stuff that is about as plug and play as you can possibly make it. So they make a complete turn signal system that's all plug and play. I've actually seen these installed. They are super clean, really nice. They come with the turn signals, the switch, all the wiring. Pretty simple install on that, actually. I've actually seen it done, so that's pretty simple. This is a power, what they call power control system. This power control system, I'm going to show you inside here what you get. Basically, it does a lot of the hard work for you. It gives you a nice place for all your fuses, so all your circuits are protected. It gives you the ability to just plug your switches right into, this is already measured to cut to fit the holes in the General, so all you got to do is plug the switches into this now, and you're basically wiring, all you got to do is wire your accessory to the box, and that's it. Everything else is already done for you, so it's all loomed real nice. The whole thing is really, really clean, and that's going to make things so much easier when it comes to wiring this thing. So along with that, seat heater controls, plug and play seat heater controls. We've got seat heaters in these PRP seats we're putting in here. And right now it's kind of hard to think about seat heaters because it's 118 degrees outside here in Phoenix. But in the wintertime, you know what? You're driving on the trail, you're up north, you're in the snow, seat heaters be pretty nice. So controllers for the seat heaters right here, that's easy. They also make a nice little plug here. These plug right into the pulse system that Polaris already has, which also makes things a little easier for you. So XTC Power Products, man, I'll tell you, it's going to make this job a lot easier, and I really want to thank those guys for jumping on board with this project. And man, we can't wait to start installing this stuff, and we'll walk you through all of it.